Hello dear friends, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today's recipe is for the upcoming Valentine Day. We are going to make Paneer Pasanda or stuffed paneer hearts, and these will be served with delicious creamy gravy. Though this curry is mildly spiced, but it is really divine. You're definitely going to enjoy this. And so much fun on Valentine Day when you make your menu with a variety of heart-shaped dishes, starting from salad to the dessert. So I have posted many earlier also. I'll be sharing those links as well. You can check them out. So let's plan the Valentine Day menu and get started with today's recipe. To make Paneer Pasanda, I have taken a big chunk of paneer, which is about 400 grams. We have to cut out hearts. Cashew nuts, handful. We'll chop them up. Raisins also handful. 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 1-inch piece ginger. 2 onions, medium size. We are going to grind them together. And here we have oil for cooking, and we'll need little more for frying. All-purpose flour or maida 1 tablespoon. Corn starch 1 tablespoon. Salt as needed. Here we have cream about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Tomato puree 1 tablespoon. Tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon. And for spices we have coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder ½ teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1/4 teaspoon. This is a very spicy one. That's why I've taken very little. Kashmiri chilli powder ½ teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. And garam masala ½ teaspoon. You can check out the ingredients list also in the description box. Peel and cut the onion and ginger. Peel the garlic as well. Transfer them into a grinding jar. We are going to grind these to a coarser texture, slightly coarser texture. You can add little water if needed. Now chop the cashew nuts and raisins very finely. You can add pistachios as well if you like. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Give it a nice mix. Now in the place of tomato ketchup, you can also add sweet chili sauce or any kind of sauce, or you can even add green chutney if you like. Choice is yours. Now take the paneer chunk. We are going to cut out hearts using a cutter. Insert a cutter, remove it, mark all the 3 hearts. Now using a knife, cut out the slice. This way you can separate the heart very easily. Here we go. Same way you remove all the hearts. This is malai paneer, a bit difficult to handle, but the result comes out very good because malai paneer is soft in texture. You don't have to overcook it. This way cut out all the hearts. All these cuttings you can store them in a box and use to make paneer bhurji, paneer parathas. They will not go waste. Now trim out all the pieces so that they are even in size. Little bit of trimmings you can crumble and add them to the stuffing mixture. It will help in binding. I'm keeping it very simple. You see, I have not added any spices to this stuffing. Now spoon it. A little bit of mixture on each heart. Press it firmly so that it gets stuck very well. Place the other heart on it. Here we go. Stuffed paneer heart is ready. It's the same way you prepare all the 3. This curry is mild in flavors, but it is very, very delicious. Even kids will enjoy it for sure. And when you are entertaining, you can make these hearts ahead of time. Gravy also can be made just before serving. You can just assemble the curry. The third one also is done. Now set them aside while we make the slurry. In a bowl, mix together all-purpose flour or maida, cornstarch, little bit of salt. I have taken 1 tablespoon of each and little salt. Add sufficient water and make a thin slurry. We are going to dip the hearts in this and fry them. Make sure the slurry is thin, because if you make a thick paste, you end up getting heart-shaped pakoras. We don't want that. Heat oil to medium temperature. Reduce the flame. Carefully dip the stuffed heart in the slurry and slide it into the oil. Same way, repeat with the other 2 hearts. Frying has to be done on medium and low flame, adjusting it periodically, because we don't want to change the color. The hearts have to remain whitish in color. Let them fry for some time, because we are going to flip them only once. Carefully, using a tongs and a ladle, flip them. Let the other side also get fried. Because this is malai paneer, by frying little bit it will be done. We don't have to really cook it in the gravy. This will just be immersed in the gravy while serving. Remove them from the oil in a plate. Set them aside. As I mentioned earlier, these can be prepared ahead also and be stored in the refrigerator. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. We are going to make the gravy now. When the oil is hot, add the ground mixture, the onion, ginger, garlic mixture. Spread it around in the pan so that the water dries up very fast. Do this on the high flame, cover and let it cook. Once the water is dry, remove the lid and start sauteing it. Do this until the color changes. You can see the oil has started separating. So the onion is done now. Add little bit of salt. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Mix them well together. Time to add the spices. Toss them very well, and now we will add sufficient water to make the gravy. Now the quantity depends how much gravy you want. I have added about 1 cup. We'll allow it to simmer now. Check the salt first. Cover it and cook it on low flame for about half a minute or so, which will, bring out all the flavors from the spices into the gravy. Finally, stir in the cream. 1 or 2 tablespoons, how much ever you like, and adjust the consistency also at this stage. This gravy thickens up on keeping, so add water accordingly. Since we have added water and cream, let it simmer for half a minute. Perfect. The gravy is done. It's ready. Dish it out into a serving platter. Put the paneer hearts in the gravy and enjoy them with heart-shaped rotis. I have used a heart-shaped cake mold to cut out the shape of the rotis. So on a Valentine's Day, you can make and enjoy this meal. I have shared a lot of other recipes as well. You can check out the links in the description box. Prepare all these theme-based dishes and enjoy a cozy candlelight dinner with your Valentine. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You might want to check them out as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe.